The sun danced on the snow with a sparkling smile, as two lovers sat quietly, alone for a while. Then he turned and said, with a casual air, though he blushed from his chin to the tips of his hair, "I think I might like to get married to you." "Well then," she said, "there's a thought. But what if we can't promise to be all that we ought? Can you promise me, say, that you won't rage and shout if I'm late yet again when we plan to go out? For I know I can't promise I'll learn to ignore dirty socks or damp towels strewn all over the floor. So, if we can't vow to be all that we should, I'm not sure what to do, though the idea is quite good." But he gently smiled and tilted his head, till his lips met her ear, and softly he said, "I promise to weave my dreams into your own, that wherever you breathe will be my heart's home. I promise that, whether with rags or with gold I am blessed, your smile is the jewel I treasure the best. Do you think then, my love, we should marry, do you?" "Yes," she said smiling, "I do."
Welcome everyone to the wedding of Arnu and Fraser here at Farbridge. The couple were legally married a month ago in a small ceremony at Marylebone Town Hall and wanted to have a second ceremony with more of their friends and family present. Thank you all for being here. I know that we have bridesmaids from 4 continents who have come all the way to Sussex to show their love and support for their friend Arnu and her new husband. And Arnu's family who have travelled all the way from Estonia to see their daughter, sister and aunt marry this man. To Fraser's friends and family, it means a great deal to him that you have come to witness him marrying his beloved. Whether family from home or abroad, or friends old and new, welcome.
Welcome everyone to the wedding at Farbridge. As you all know, Arnu and I were married a few weeks ago in the registry office in London. That was the legal ceremony. So I'm extremely pleased to welcome you all to the illegal ceremony, a travesty in the eyes of the church and the law, but we don't need them to have a good time. Thank you to everyone for coming. It means everything to Arnu and me that you have journeyed all this way to celebrate our wedding with us. And a 13-minute ceremony, how's that? Wham bam, thank you ma'am. That's what, no one's come for the ceremony, everyone's come for the food and the champagne. As I look around the room, I see faces of so many of our favourite, most beloved friends and family. With many of you, it's a rare treat to see you one-on-one. To have everyone here at once is just the greatest pleasure imaginable, so really, I can't stress this enough, thank you. Firstly, I want to point out that almost everything here today has been built, arranged, coordinated, or baked or stolen by Arnu. She has been working tirelessly to prepare everything to her very professional standard. Yes, she has had help here and there, and I've done my best to match her dazzling competence and energy and not drag my feet, but frankly, look at me. So I just wanted to let everyone know what an absolute marvel my wife is. Being a simple man, you're supposed to say, no. I sometimes find it hard to express my feelings. When words fail, I have to resort to volume. Sometimes I have to grab Arnu and say very loudly and very clearly, looking her sternly in the face, "I love you."
Fraser, you have this incredible way of making even the most ordinary moments feel extraordinary, whether we're out exploring a new place or just binge watching our favorite shows on the sofa. You make every moment better simply by being you. Your kindness, humor, and unwavering support have brought me so much joy into my life, and I can honestly say I've never been happier. You have shown me that love is not just a feeling, it's the little things you do for me and the big commitments we have chosen to make together. Please, can you all raise a glass to my husband, Fraser. I love you, maar armastan sind, and here's to an exciting new adventure together.
away.